Empire State of Morocco. Empire State of Morocco. The Universal Sovereigne Original Indigenous Standing Government affirmed at Ancient Morocco, North America. Ancient Ta Moorilandia, Mooriland Territory. Maryland. The seat of Universal Government. North America, Northwest Amaxim, Northwest Africa, Maghreb Al-Aqsa, Northgate. All rise and stand and remain standing into perpetuity. This is a living ancient Article 3 Moorish American Al-Moroccan court action. We are the sovereign living justice in capitis diminutio nolo, in red ink, in propria persona sui juris, in proprio solo, and in proprio heredes. All Moors who are the ancient living empire state of Morocco are the original indigenous sovereign ancient Al-Moroccan Moorish American ascendants of the great Pharaohs of Kemet and of the ancient Moabites, Shemites and Canaanites. Our full faith and trust, our allegiance, our credit, and our energy are hereby vested in ourselves, for we are the people who are the sovereign original indigenous natural divine ancient empire state of Morocco and the de jure Moorish National Republic federal government. We are one God. We hereby exercise all sovereignty rights at this time and at all points in time nunc pro tunc. Notice to all. International public notice and international status. Notice all. Active law, for the record, to be read into the record. Notice to agent is notice to principal, notice to principal is notice to agent, notice to all. Ancient document dated nunc pro tunc. 1981 October 7th. I am, Byron Zahar Bey, having borne appellation Byron Calvin Rodgers, Moorish American national, in the office of Minister and Consul on the land Maryland Territory Continental Americas, having Maryland Superior Court and Consular Court identifying number 00000120 for Maryland Territory and the Continental Americas by our Moorish power. Ancient Al-Moroccan Empire is Moorish Empire, an empire state of Morocco in alignment with the Treaty of Peace and Friendship between Moroccan Empire and the United States Republic of North America 1786-1836, still enforced, including the Treaty of Marrakesh 1785, and all other Moorish treaties, and as stated in Article 23 of the Supreme Lawful Treaty of Amity and Commerce between the United States of America and His Majesty the Emperor of Morocco for all Moors on the land. The consuls of the United States of America shall reside in any port of our dominions that they shall think proper, and they shall be respected, and enjoy all the privileges which the consuls of any other nation enjoy. This shall be noticed to all on the lands of earth the continental Americas within the dominions of the ancient Al-Moroccan Empire and on the land of Amaxim/Americas. The North American continent is under binding international treaty law, i.e., the Treaty of Peace and Friendship of 1836 between the United States of North America and the Moroccan Empire, which superseded the Organic Treaty of Peace and Friendship of 1787 between the United States of America and His Imperial Majesty the Emperor of Morocco. This treaty is proof of there being two jurisdictions that are foreign to each other, and are operating at North America for the purpose of amity and commerce, 1. The United States Republic of North America and 2. The Moroccan Empire, which is the home government of the land. Whenever the aboriginal Moors are engaged in any form of commerce, trade, buying, selling, etc., with the citizens of the United States, i.e., the foreign hybrid European colonists, there must be a consular jurisdiction available within the jurisdiction of either party to the treaty in an event that there is a dispute or controversy per Articles 20 and 21 of such treaty, which aver the following. Article 20. If any of the citizens of the United States, or any persons under their protection, shall have any disputes with each other, the consul shall decide between the parties, and whenever the consul shall require any aid, or assistance from our government, to enforce his decisions, it shall be immediately granted to him. Article 21. If a citizen of the United States should kill or wound a Moor, or, on the contrary, if a Moor shall kill or wound a citizen of the United States, the law of the country shall take place, and equal justice shall be rendered, the consul assisting at the trial, and if any delinquent shall make his escape, the consul shall not be answerable for him in any manner whatever. Black's Law Dictionary, 8th edition, page 948 to 949. Consul. Noun. A governmental representative living in a foreign country to oversee commercial and other matters involving the representative's home country and its citizens in that foreign country. Consuls are not diplomatic agents, but consuls are entitled to consular immunities, which protect them from local law and jurisdiction in the exercise of their consular functions. Consuls are commercial, not diplomatic agents. They reside abroad for the purpose of protecting the individual interests of traders, travelers, and mariners belonging to the state which employs them. They exercise jurisdiction over their countrymen, their persons are inviolable, their residences may be used as asylums in the case of war or tumult, and in fact they possess more than the ordinary diplomatic immunities. T.J. Lawrence, A Handbook of Public International Law 86-87, 10th ed. 1925. All Moors shall take their positions as they are the living sovereign ancient original indigenous nationals of the earth in the office of consuls, sheikhs, sheikhs, ministers, justice, etc. and enforce the Moorish constitution and treaty at all ports in commerce and on the land of the Americas. Consular court decisions stand as law in alignment with the supreme law of the land. Our authority will be presented at all time and via this public site as public notice of this consul office cause for action on the land in Maryland territory. Nunc pro tunc. This international correspondence and public notice is hereby presented to all, and is relative to our corrected appellations and proclaimed national status, which affirms our political status and allegiance to the ancient principles of government, in harmony with the Iroquois Confederacy Great Law of Peace, Articles of Confederation of 1777, and Constitution for the United States of America 1789/1791. We hereby give an honorable notice. Our actions are made in accord with the 5 principles of Amori love, veritas truth, pax peace, libertas freedom and justitia justice, exercising our natural sovereign original indigenous substantive rights and religious heritage, at all time. This declaration and proclamation also stands as verification that I, Byron Zahar Bey, have affirmed my status with Morocco Consular Court at Maryland State Republic, the Make America Consulate and Chancellery and the Empire State of Morocco, and this record number MAC, also Ancient American number A222141, see Title 22 Chapter 2 Section 141 through 143, and MAC HB, Mach 00000120 is used on all forms of my Moorish American/American State National, private travel document identifications. American State National Allegiance, Judicial Proclamation, all consular court causes for action, judgments, and as in record identifying number for the office of consul. For the record, the presentments authored by the Sovereign Living Chief Justice are affirmed true, correct, and complete by our honor always. The legal and lawful notice presented on the screen was witnessed by our brother, the Honorable Sheriff Nine Feathers Bey in propria persona, in proprio solo sui heredes, whom is an American State National Grand Sachem, Grand Sheik, and creator of Make America Chancellery. MAC 0000000120 plus 000 is the record number for this opening statement and notice of this Moorish American national is in the office of Consul and Fiduciary for Empire State of Morocco, Moorish National Republic Federal Government, United States for America, and the Moorish name and peace instrument that I govern in commerce, which is Byron Calvin Rodgers, and all documents presented are of our sovereign original indigenous ancient Moroccan Moorish American national standing, status, and are part and parcel of the living Chief Justice having borne given appellation Byron Calvin Rodgers and free chosen appellationi Byron Zahar Bey on the land Maryland territory in North America Dominion of the Moorish Empire. Public notice to all and all system includes all documents and statements in all documents published by our Moorish nation on earth and this office on the land on shore in ancient Moori land territory, Maryland territory, and at Maryland State Republic. Shalom. Islam. All sovereignty original indigenous and Zient divin Moorish American autographs affirming this, and all sovereignty original indigenous and Zient Empire State of Morocco and the de jure Moorish National Republic Federal Government documents are on the public record at America, and Zient Morocco, Northwest Amaxim, Northwest Africa, the North Gate, Turtle Island, Gaia, Midgardi, Earth. Chronos time immemorial into perpetuity. Ego sum. Byron Zahar Bey autographed and acceptance. Justice/Vizier/Mini-Star and propria persona sui juris and proprio solo and proprio heredes. All sovereignty rights exercised at all times. Empire State of Morocco. Moorish National Republic Federal Government. Moorish America Consulate.
Watch a nigga do it.